Hey, this is Mike. I want to give you an update on General Motors. I did a video on GM last week that this is a stock that's beginning to really start to break out here. It was up over 2.5% on Friday. It's had some pretty good momentum over the last 5 days in the last month. There are a couple of stories you should know about GM that's giving them a lot of positive momentum. First is it looks like they're not going to do that partnership with Nikola, which is a good thing. However, also, GM has announced an electric vehicle only factory that's going to be producing the GMC Hummer electric vehicle. So GM is definitely getting into electric vehicles. That's giving them positive momentum. And another thing that you should know about is Tuesday is the launch for the Hummer EV. Now, if you don't know about the Hummer, it's going to be this all-electric like super truck. So it's kind of beating the Cybertruck to the punch. The launch of the truck is in 2 days, October 20th, and they're going to start taking reservations. So what I'm guessing is they're going to get a lot of reservations for this truck, and it may catch people off guard by how many reservations they make. Like if GM gets a lot of reservations for their Hummer EV pickup, they're going to let people know, they're going to brag about it, and that may propel the stock even higher. So another thing you need to know is that right now the stock is sitting at 33.45. The 52-week high is 38.96. So if this news, with the Hummer being revealed and they're taking reservations, if people love the truck and there are a lot of reservations, GM could easily pop through that 52-week high. And also, they're paying a really nice dividend yield of 4.5%. So you take all those things into consideration, GM is definitely a stock you should take a look at. It's right now, it's at its highest level since the sort of the pandemic collapse. So the chart here is actually really nice, and I do feel like this Hummer truck coming out, I think it's gonna get a lot of business from people who are not really into the Tesla style, that sort of very avant-garde Cybertruck style. I think you're going to get a lot of people who are more traditional truck owners who are interested in sort of the torquiness that you get with an EV and the power and the speed. Who are going to say, you know what, I know the Hummer brand, I know the GM brand, I feel comfortable with this traditional style of truck, and I'm going to get the Hummer over the Tesla Cybertruck. And also, it looks like they might beat the Cybertruck into the market. I think they're coming out with the truck. You can actually take delivery of the truck in fall of 2021. That might be about the same time as the Cybertruck. I don't know, but definitely keep a watch on GM stock. Also keep a watch on the Hummer EV pickup truck rollout. I'm just kind of curious to see what this truck looks like and what it can do. I bet it has some really impressive numbers. So just to give you that update, just to put GM on your watch list for this week. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and like the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I come out with multiple videos every day that just give you stock updates, breaking news on stocks in the stock market. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.